Thank you, Arnab, for inviting me to this discussion. I thought I'm not a part of
I'm
this
sorry,
discussion.
thank you.
25 minutes.
Not at all.
You have invited me. Thank you. And now, you see, the secularism in the country is nobody's commitment. The three political parties, the Congress, the BJP, the Samajwadi Party, three representatives are here. And the people of the country take nobody as the secular party. The ideology as such is not the commitment of any of the political party in the country. And this is the dilemma. This is the real dilemma of this country, that every political party is power hungry, power lusty. They are running behind the power, and they are ready to compromise any principle, any ideology, just to grab power by hook or by crook. So secularism is nobody's commitment in the country. It's just an eyewash and no more. After these political party, I am speaking as just a common man of this country, that they are befooling the people of India at the name of secularism. What is the real ideology of the country now is prevailing is the communalism. Everyone, with the Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party, they all are communal at the outset. At the time of electioneering, they become secular, and when they grab power, they execute and implement the agenda of communalism in the country. This is what the practical fact of this country. If whatever we are discussing right now, be it the Muzaffarnagar, it is Gujarat, or the 40,000 communal rights in the last 65 years, or the constitutional amendment which allows the communal for the Hindu word has been used in the Constitution of India by the Congress Party itself to provide reservation, denying other religious entities of the country. So all this
hear him, Mr. Rasool. It's uncomfortable truth, but hear him.
They are trying.
Hear him. You expected him to speak for you. He's not speaking for you. Don't interrupt him. Let him complete. Yes, complete. Mr. Rasool, please listen through this. Please hear him through. Yes.
This is the dilemma. This is the dilemma of this country, that the ideological, in 1947, we were having at least three political ideologies in the country. But now there is only one ideology prevails. And that too starts after somebody grabs power. Up to the election time, nobody is pursuing.
Why do you spare the BJP? Mr. Rahmani, why do you spare the BJP? I'm so surprised. You and Shahid Siddiqui today.
Where is their charity?
You and Shahid Siddiqui. No. Why do you spare the BJP?
Because we have been fooled for too long.
Really? And they have given tickets for too long. Really, Shahid Siddiqui and Mr. Rahmani. No, 1 minute, Mr. Rahmani and Mr. Siddiqui, 1 minute.
In the name of secularism, we know where
I'll take a question. Why they have given tickets?
It's not a matter of BJP or Congress. Being a simple Indian citizen, I am talking.
So simple is the Indian citizen, Mr. Simple Indian citizen. My question is to you, that why do you think giving tickets to the Muzaffarnagar riots accused? Mr. Citizen, I am asking you, I am not asking Mr. Rahmani, I am asking Mr. Citizen. Mr. Citizen, giving tickets to three of the Muzaffarnagar riots accused is what? Secularism? Are you afraid of taking on the BJP? Are you and Shahid Siddiqui
That's what I said.
Are you and Shahid Siddiqui both trying to get on the right side of the BJP?
There is no ideology.
Because you feel they are closer to power.
That's what I am saying. There is no ideology. Ideology is Hindutva. Ideology is Hindutva. Everybody.
We are afraid of being taken for a ride by the secular people.
Just to grab power. Just to garner votes.
That has been done again and again and again. And therefore we say, we know where BJP stands. But we know also that where Congress and Samajwadi and others stand, because they have been using the minorities. They have been creating fear in the hearts of the minorities to get their votes. And this is
4 minutes.
Ideology.
They are responsible for killing the minorities.
Which has been used. And therefore,
Mr. Rasool,
when we reject
Mr.
this idea of a secular front, there is no secular front. There is only a front to grab power by using
Mr. Rasool, 1 minute. No, Mr. Rasool.
If he permits,
it's a jizya which Muslims have to pay in the name of secularism.
Okay, Mr. Rasool, because I have limited time, Mr. Rasool, yes. Is Imran Masood secular?
As a person, not as a party representative.
No, you are a party representative. Don't flip your role.
Yes, I am also a party representative. I would like to say the
how can Abid Rasool say he's not a party representative?
from the Muslim community to show that the community is with them will not bear fruit.
Let him say,
let it be Salman Khan, let it be Saber Ali, let it be anybody else on the channels. But the fact remains that the community will not accept any
Mr.
such
Abid
faces
Rasool,
which come
your
onto the channels and talk
your
with
party
their
can get the Telangana bill
convenience
passed
of them is the
by
convenience of power. The fact remains
but not the communal
that
right
the communal
bill.
party will not get the support
Your
of the
secular party
citizens and
can pass
Muslims
the
of this
Telangana
country
bill
and
in the
secular
House
people of this
and not the
country.
communal right
These
bill.
type of propping of faces,
Now they say
let it
Muslims
be
should
from the
vote for us.
superstar to let it be to the
We are in danger,
Saber Ali
secularism
or
in
let it
danger.
be to the panelists. They have,
what about Ranganath
they
Mishra
have
Commission
no local
report?
standing, they have no
No,
following.
no, this
It
will
is-
not
it
be
is
allowed
just
anymore.
a convenience. It is a convenience for some to prop
Then-
them up.
then who has the
trying to
local
misguide,
standing?
but it will not happen. You
Okay,
can get
so-
thrown
so-
out.
It is
so-
convenient for Congress.
So
to
one
use
second, please.
Secularism as a
No,
facade.
no,
Just a minute,
What about
just
the
a minute,
communal violence
just a
bill?
minute. I have
What
only
about
two
the Ranganath
questions.
Mishra
You
Commission
look into
report?
your heart.
one
What
minute.
about
What
your own
about
heart
the
and see
Mishra
what you are
Commission
talking
report?
about?
No, Mr. Emani, 1 minute. Mr. Emani, 1 minute.
Nothing.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I have one
Party
question.
can get the Telangana
Mr. Emani,
passed.
1 minute. I have just two questions. I'm coming to you, Piyush Goyal. Let me just ask two questions to Congress. So, Mr. Abid Rasool is saying today, anybody who is not secular can't be a Congress candidate, right? Can you accept anybody who is not secular to be a Congress party candidate? Can anyone who's not secular represent the Congress? Just yes or no, quickly.
But when somebody switch over from Shiv Sena, he becomes secular in single one.
So my question to you is,
How come?
So my question to you is, Mr. Rasool, Mr. Rasool, my question to you is this. Please hear me, Mr. Rasool.
Those who were mentioned in Sri Krishna Commission report for Mumbai riots, they joined Congress and they became secular.
No, 1 sec. My question to Abid Rasool is,
This has happened again and again.
Just a minute. Calm down, gentlemen.
Don't do this, please.
Just a minute.
You have spoiled the very word secularism. It has become a bad word. It's become
Imran
a
Masood says, I will cut Narendra Modi into many pieces. Is Imran Masood secular? Just do not avoid the question, okay? Is Imran Masood, your candidate from Saharanpur, secular? Is he secular?
Arnab,
Is he secular?
if he is not,
Arnab, he was not in the Congress. Just
secular
one
when
month
he
back,
talks
he
like
was not
that,
in the Congress.
and I am telling you, my leader, and let me answer.
Is
let
he
me answer.
secular?
My leader and my party has told that we do not subscribe. He is not secular once he talks like that.
Also, he's
There
not
is nothing
secular,
which
so
can be
don't
secular when
give
you
him a
talk
ticket.
about-
How can you put
Why
up a
candidature?
the antonym
Why
of secular is
that
communal.
candidate?
That call will be taken yesterday on your
What
channel.
are you
Let me
saying?
answer. Yesterday on your channel, you had told me that he will be on the stage. I had told you no, he'll not be, and you didn't accept that.
I don't
Today
believe in
I'm telling
cosmetic
you, we
surgery.
will take an appropriate decision.
He was arrested. He was arrested, therefore he was not on the
You have to
stage.
see that
Arnab,
in
I want to
BJP,
say
in
one
the counter this thing,
sentence.
how many people
Arnab, I
have
want
been
to say
speaking
one
communal
sentence
language and
about
what are they
Imran
talking
Masood.
about?
2 minutes on the debate. Piyush Goyal wanted to come in. One sec, Piyush Goyal. Yes, quickly, please. 2 minutes left.
Arnab, I want
Piyush
to
Goyal,
say
please. 1 minute, Mr.
sentence,
Emani.
One sentence, Arnab.
Let's go to the BJP quickly.
Just giving
Mr. Goyal.
14-day imprisonment is a prize, is a reward to a hate monger.
Okay,
I
one sec.
feel that the Election Commission of India must not allow to contest
Okay.
as a person who makes such a
fine.
hate.
Piyush Goyal is responding to the Congress.
A reward to a hate.
Then we are going to close this. Piyush Goyal.
Imran Masood, we reject
He
him.
must be barred from contesting any
Don't
election.
give us a bad name.
Piyush Goyal.
Yes, don't give Muslims a bad name. Muslims do
Arnab,
not believe
if
in
there's
this kind of
lateral
violent politics. They may disagree with Modi. They may.
What are you representing?
Piyush
What are you
Goyal,
talking?
please
What are you
down.
saying?
Gentlemen, don't speak
You
over
should
each
look at yourself
other.
when you talk
I
about
have
that.
2 minutes left. Don't speak over each other, please. This is Piyush Goyal's turn.
Arnab.
We're going to close this. Yes.
Arnab, if there was a job, lateral recruitment as Speaker of Parliament or Lok Sabha, possibly you could apply for that. You may do a good job there. But the reality is, the nation today is looking for development, it's looking for progress, it's looking for economic growth, it's looking for jobs, it's looking for good governance. The sad part is the Congress, which itself is now a failed idea, is trying to cobble together a front which does not exist and is only have a single point agenda to stop Mr. Modi. I think you may like to also consider that Mr. Antony has seen the writing on the wall even in a state such as Kerala, where they are finding the BJP emerging as a strong force. and they are scared that the BJP may pick up seats, even in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, that they are forced to talk to the left, who is their principal adversary in Kerala. So I think it's a very, very strong signal of the emergence of Modi as a national figure all across the country, a uniting figure who's uniting the East, the West, the North and the South. This charm is taking people in Jammu Kashmir also by storm. It is taking people in the northeast by storm. The entire India, the entire Indian nation and its youth, its people are looking for good governance.
So many elders
Unity and polarization are two different things.
Where is the question of development?
Uniting and polarizing are two different things.
In every field, which development are you talking about? Which economics are you talking about?
1 minute. Now, you know, to Piyush Goyal, I'll only say, Piyush Goyal, uniting and polarizing are two different things. One thing must be said. We want to know from Rahul Gandhi.
Well, Mr. Modi is uniting. Polarizing is when you talk of a small thing. Here he's talking of the nation as one.
The party is disintegrated.
My only question is, Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Disintegrated.
I have one question for Rahul Gandhi.
We don't have a dynasty like your party, sir. We have a democratic party.
Okay.
Unlike yours, which nobody has the guts to talk in front of the
democracy,
and senior leaders, 80-year-old leaders, have to touch the feet of a Shahzada. Whereas in my party, we have democracy
which does not give respect
now,
to the elders.
my question to my closing comment. One second. My closing comment is.
We have seen what you did with Sitaram Kesri, with N.D. Tiwari. We've seen what you've done with Arjun Singh. We saw what you do with.
Why are you getting upset when I take out those names? Why are you getting upset and going into the history?
Was mistreated by your government.
You talk about Jaswant Singh crying on the screen. You talk about Salim Ali crying on the screen.
Talk about what you did with the Honorable President of India.
What are you talking about?
Talk with the way you have behaved.
You have empty words. You have empty words and empty speeches. There is nothing. The facts are wrong.
Okay, now my question is. My question is to Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Gujarat has no law and order, and
Mr. Rahul Gandhi,
onto the country.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi, do you still maintain? My question is to Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, do you still maintain left ideology is a dead ideology? If it is true, why is A.K. Antony putting out feelers to the left? To form a government and to stay in power, will you ally with those you called a dead ideology, or will you eat your words today? Mr. Rahul Gandhi, we want to know that from you. To all my panelists, thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.